दुर्गावाडी ते भाटले वचपी रस्त्या कुशीक कोयराच्यो राशी पडल्यात। सांताक्रूज पंचायतीन आणि महानगरपालिकेन ह्या कोयराचेर दुर्लक्ष केला असो आरोप आम आदमी पक्षाची वांगडी सेसिल रॉड्रिगीजान केला। पावसात लागू जालो हो कोयर कुसलो वा उदक साचल्यार दुयेंसां जावं येता। सुचोवणी तक्ते आसून लेगीत लोक मेळत थंय कोयर हाडून उडयतात। जनावरां येवन हो कोयर खातात। एकादो हो कोयर रातच्या वेळार उडयतात अशी कागाळ उक्ताडार आयल्या अशें सेसिलाचें म्हणणें आसा। महानगरपालिकेन हांचेर लक्ष दिवन ही कोयराची समस्या सोडोवची अशी मागणी सेसिल रॉड्रिगीजान केल्या।
आता हो रस्तो जो हा, it is from Durgawadi going towards Batle. This section of the area falls under Taligaon and Santa Cruz. आता तुम्ही पळयल्यार garbage जे dump केला, it is on either side. It falls under Santa Cruz as well as Taligaon. This has not been collected for a very long time. You can see that the CCP is also not bothered. You can see even Santa Cruz Panchayat is not bothered. I mean, they have put like a big board over there which is do not throw garbage. It is under CCTV surveillance. Tiga gelar ani poilar kai CCTV surveillance kai na. No one is being held responsible, and people are continuously dumping over there. Now some action plan has to be taken. So kindly requesting the CCP to take action on this. You cannot dump garbage and just leave it like that. Now rains are going to start. It's going to be very, very bad for the citizens who are residing there. There can be malaria, it can be dengue, because you don't know what all garbage is being collected. So kindly requesting Santa Cruz Panchayat also to take active role. Collectively you all can participate together and come across, with a proper action plan. Where there is a will, there is a way. But provided you all get this done. This is not how, this road looks so shabby and it's so dirty to pass by. People can see what is happening. आम्ही सगळे जाण पळयता, पण ॲक्शन जे घेवपाक जाय ते इलेक्टेड रिप्रेझेंटेटिव्ह घेवपाक जाय आणि ते घेयना. So we should hold our elected representatives of that area responsible for leaving that shabby garbage just unattended for the last so many months.